For months, Gaza has managed to dodge this moment, but now it's here, near empty streets. Instructions to stay home for personal safety after 4 cases of COVID-19 were detected in the same family, the first cases at large in the general population. For a blockaded territory with an under-equipped, overstretched health system, this is a frightening time.
We have started to implement a plan that we prepared for in advance. Police are imposing a curfew. People are completely committed to it. We will take more preventive procedures depending on new evaluations.
A combination of the Israeli and Egyptian blockade and very strict quarantine measures had till now kept the coronavirus out. Gaza's 110 cases had all been in quarantine centres. These new community cases were traced after a woman got an Israeli permit to travel to Jerusalem for medical treatment and was found there to have the disease. The World Health Organization says such a moment was always likely to come and that health workers are following correct procedures in tracing the origin and spread of the outbreak.
Since we discovered the 4 cases in Maghazi refugee camp, the medical teams have been following up with more people who could have been in contact with the infected people. We've stopped outpatient treatments, halted planned surgeries, and prepared all the health facilities to receive possible infected people.
Gaza has about 100 ventilators in the public health system, with another 100 in private clinics. The WHO says the territory can deal with hundreds of cases, but not thousands. Hamas, which controls the territory, is calling for new international aid. The COVID threat only compounds anxieties for Gaza's 2 million people, already struggling with as little as 4 hours electricity a day after Israel banned diesel imports for the Strip's only power station. It's part of a recent escalation in hostilities between Hamas and Israel, with incendiary balloons and rockets launched from Gaza and near-nightly airstrikes by Israel. The bigger fear for now is of the power of this pandemic and what it could do to a place like Gaza. The hope is it can be contained in time. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera.